Right, Wise. Wise is a great account to have, a banking account, an alternative to normal traditional banking, and a lot of features you have there with Wise that you can't do with normal banking, as well as transfer, converting, normal traditional banking, and a lot of features you have there with Wise that if you want to convert from one currency to another, this gives you the best deal. XE is another one, but Wise, I would say, is better than XE. It's got better features and it's more user friendly. However, in this video I'm just going to tell you about how to set up an automatic conversion. So basically what that means is you set up a conversion amount that you want to convert. For instance, if you've already got two different currencies or maybe more, you can set up, if you've got a Wise account, you can set up in your account different currencies. So you have different currencies in your Wise. For instance, in mine, I have GBP, which is British pound, and US dollar. Now, this gives you the rate at that moment, what's going on, the rate in the last few days, and you can see how much the conversion rate will be, and how much your conversion actually, the final value will be when you want to convert, including their fees and everything. So if you say, for instance, you want to convert £5,000 to another currency, what's happening, it gives you the rate at this moment, $6,572.44, and here it says transfer fee. If you want to convert that, you just go ahead and convert that here, and it just sends it to your USD account from GBP to USD. But you can actually schedule that, so it converts when you set a rate. For instance, you say when the rate is at this moment is 1.319, when the set rate reaches 1.32, convert, and it does that automatically. As soon as it hits there, it converts that and it sends you an email, say conversion is done successfully at this moment, at this rate, with this fee. So the way you do this, you just go to your account and you go all the way down and it says auto convert. Click on that and you have now which balance do you want to convert from. So you want to convert from, for instance, I want to convert from British pound to US dollar, so I want to convert from British pound. So I click that and then it says how much do you want to convert. I'll say for example 5,000, and it details all the fees and everything, and it tells you the rate. Live rate at the moment is 1.3192, but you want to schedule that. You can see it for a month rate, the chart for the last month, last week, or whatever you want to see. Now, here you enter your rate. You say, I don't want to convert now at this rate. I want to convert it when the rate is 1.3. Before you do that, it would be wise to actually have a look at the rate again, chart, and say in the last month or so, what was the maximum, that the rate reached. So here is 1.32. Again, here is 1.3211 and 1.3255 and all that. So You decide, you just have a better understanding of how much can it go up to. So you don't put an unrealistic rate there, so it'll never reach. You know, if you wanted to actually reach there and convert, you just have a better understanding of what you want, what you're doing. So I'll just put down here 1.32, and the amount that I want to convert. Let me see. So if you are sending 1,000, the fee is £3.49, about £3.50. Or if you're sending 5,000, the fee is £17.44. So you just do a quick calculations as well, just to see, is it worth to send it bit by bit or altogether for yourself. So these are the little tips I'm just giving you for yourself, just to bear in mind. You know, there are fees, but the fees are minimal compared to what the traditional banks charge, and the conversion rate is hugely better than what they do. And also the limitation, the normal banks, they have restrictions on how much you can convert and how much you can send to another bank, but Wise also has restrictions and limitations, but it's a lot more than what you can do with a normal bank per day. That is per day. So you know, you can spread your transfer during a few months or a few days or a few weeks. So it is worth to send a larger amount as far as fee is concerned, and so I'll just put it back on 5,000 and send it when the rate hits 1.32, and continue. Review your auto conversion. You review that, make sure everything is right the way you want it, and continue again. And that is it, you're all set. And when you get that £5,000 converted to dollar, they'll let you know by an email, or however you set up your Wise account to contact you. And that is it, and that's the way you convert from one currency to another automatically. And in this way you can actually make money, because you don't actually need to be an expert to know about the rates, whether they're going to go up or down. If you've got if you just set up two accounts, like pound to US dollar, or US Canadian dollar, or whatever, or other currencies, and all you need to do is just have a look and give it a realistic rate and set up a conversion. So you convert from, let's say now I've just converted from pound to dollar, and you can at the same time, if you have enough money, at the same time you can convert from dollar to pound. So whichever hits your, if I just switch this, let's say dollar to pound. So at the same time, if you have enough money, you want to say when the dollar reaches, at the moment is this much, 0.7579. So when this $1 is this much pound, so you want to get the maximum. So you set up, let's say for instance, rate of 1.767. Say when it reaches 0.767, convert so much of a US dollar to pound, and it does that. So either way you will win, because if you know what you're doing, of course, this is what I'm trying to explain. So you can actually set up a £5,000 to convert to US dollar when it reaches its peak that you think is the peak for that period of time, like we just did for 1.32. And for dollar also, you set a rate and say when it reaches 0.767 or when it reaches 0.77, I want it converted to pound, from dollar to pound. So you can do that. Either way, if the dollar goes up, then you win. You convert from dollar to pound. If the pound goes up, then you still win. Either way, you're a winner. But you have to bear in mind the margins has to be that much that compensates the fees that you pay, and you gain some profit. Other than that, there is no risk to it. It's all in your own account, and you can always turn it back to whatever currency you wanted to keep your capital in the end. So that is the way you set up your auto conversion. Thank you very much. I'll see you again with another video. Goodbye.